Want to send bulk SMS, you're looking for software you can use to send SMS that's going to deliver your SMS 100%. So with this software, you're going to be able to send bulk SMS to any country without any issues. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to show you this demo of this software. So after I've helped you to set up your SMS, so just do a quick send. You can do a quick send and you can do a campaign builder. So let's do a quick send. So we are going to choose the send server solutions. So we're going to enter our recipient number. So we're just going to enter. So that's my the voice number. Can you see? That's my number here. So the next thing for so enter our message. So we have enter our message. So just a demo message. So let's click on next send. So the message was successfully delivered. So let's check my Google Voice. So can you see that's delivered very fast. It's an amazing software. So that's delivered. So when you are using to send your offer, anybody interested in your offer, they're going to message the number you put to your test. So that's how you can get this. So let me just show you some of this demo of this software. So you want to do your campaign, because just come to your contacts. So just click create a new. So enter a campaign, you can just turn off, then click on save. So the next thing for you is to import. So you can just import your contact. So you can import your file, or you can just do copy and paste. I'm just going to paste my US number here. So if I paste this number here now, so if you see this total number of recipients, you're going to see is 1. So what you have to do at the end of each number you paste, just put comma. Then see it has changed to 2. So let me just remove it. Then click on save. Sorry. So your contact will be saved successfully. So you can just come to your campaign builder. So demo. So you just paste a message. Just paste your message. So let me just leave. So you can schedule your campaign. You want to schedule it, you can schedule it. So you want to include all your tag, maybe if you upload first name, last name, email, username. You want to include this, you can include it to SMS. So I'm not including it. So let's click on save, send. Sorry, you made a mistake. So the contact group, we did not select our contact group. So select the contact group we want to send it to. So let me paste it. So let's send now. So if I complete your stuff successfully, so your file successfully delivered, but you see deliver. So the message here and say it has delivered as well. So that's how it works. So this is an amazing software that you can use for personal sending or business sending. So you can also use it for voice campaign. You can use it for MMS. You can also use it for WhatsApp campaign. And it also has this chat box. So if you're using an API that supports two ways, so when your customer reply, you're going to see the reply here, then I'm using software. So that's how this software works. So if you want to get the software, you can just message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram by clicking it on this video description. So thank you. We'll see you again.